Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at the Bitcoin 8-hour chart. I don't think I've shown an 8-hour chart before, but this is a lot better than the 1-hour chart, which changes so fast. Let's take a look here. We have a rising wedge here. And this is trading view, by the way. We have a rising wedge. This is the resistance line, and this is the rising wedge support line, and it's currently bouncing in between there. And also we have this horizontal channel. We have the upper resistance line for the channel here, and we have the bottom resistance support channel line here for the channel. And it's been riding in there, and the channel resistance and channel support, that's from my 1-hour chart. I don't think I'll be doing that chart anymore because of how quickly it changes. But it's crabbing sideways inside this channel and then also inside this rising wedge. And it's currently just sitting right above the channel resistance. And this rising wedge resistance, rising wedge right here, it's a bearish pattern, and more than likely or strong possibility that it will fall down this way as it makes its way up and then fall down here once if it penetrates below the support line. And that's what I've been waiting for. It just hasn't happened yet. Just keep crabbing sideways, and that's my bear trap that I think it's gonna happen. Down below here on the KDJ line, there's a strong possibility the white J line will penetrate the blue K line and the red D line, and that will swing down, and that will bring that candle down with it, or the next candle. The MACD, both MACD lines have been trending up. You can see here it's been trending up, and that gave it a bullish histogram bars here. And however, the white MACD line is flattening out, and we'll zoom in and we'll see it. It's hard for you to see it here, but it's coming up here and it's starting to go horizontal. Down here at the red RSI line and the aqua CVD line, these two here, the red and the aqua, they've been trending up in the previous periods, 8-hour periods, but they're starting to trend down. You can see it. I'll zoom in for you. You see that? It's starting to trend down here. Here's the CVD line starting to trend down. The white momentum line, which this line right here, it's been going sideways pretty much, but it's also trending down. So I gave it a bearish analysis. This one right here, the MACD, it's looking bullish because of the trend up here, but the way it's changing is going to be crabby, sideways crab. And up here, this pattern, I gave it a sideways crab and a bear, because if it dips below that current resistance line, which is also now support, and then it could be bearish. So overall, the 8-hour chart looks a little bit more bearish. Let's take a look at the heat map and see what's going on. Price line is currently right here. We have a pretty giant sell wall up above, trying to pressure the price to go down. Overall, it looks pretty organic in the last few hours. Yeah, it looks pretty organic as it's going sideways. And we see some here that are pretty large. These are not organic, but you see overall they're pretty organic. Just tiny little bubbles. But sooner or later, because it can only crab for so long, and it's gonna crab sideways for so long, and it's gonna take a dramatic step up or go straight down. I'm favoring the downward movement. Let's zoom out and see what levels we have. not much cell walls above. Let's go below. These two walls here have been in since earlier today. I discussed that on my other video and also in the tweets at 35 and 34. More than likely, they're preparing for the price to flash down. And we have another wall here. This yellow whitish wall, it keeps coming in, keeps coming out. That's a bit of a spoof right there. Down below we have that wall, the yellowish wall is at 33K. Below we have 31K. We have another yellowish thin wall. The 30K wall has been here for a long time, but you notice it's more reddish here and then it's getting more orangey here. The size is reducing, more likely because of these two walls. I talked about this in my other video. The color change happened at the same time. Some of this went up here, so the size got smaller. And you also noticed here too, these two walls, they went up here. And some of this also went up there. And the wall at 28 is still there. Let's see what's below. Yeah, we have 21, 20, but not very big. The biggest wall is at 30. So that's a quick update for Bitcoin on the 8-hourly chart. If this added value to you, please leave a comment below, smash the like, and hit my bell for notifications, and subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate your time. Thanks. Peace.